Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, a quick video about fuel pump. We'll show you where the fuel pump is located on Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2016 generation, guys. We're talking about this one here. And this is the fuel pump. This is a new fuel pump that we'll be installing. We'll have the video as well, but a short video about where the fuel pump is located and how to get to it. So make sure, guys, you stay with us. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So the fuel pump, guys, is located under the rear seat, under the rear bottom seat. Most of the cars are that way, import cars, so stay with us, guys, and we'll show you where exactly it is and how to get to it. So in order to remove the seat, guys, now, okay, first thing that we'll need to do, okay, right here, okay, you get your hand and right here, let me show you exactly where it is. You need to find them. Okay, there is right here in the middle. Okay, check out where it is. In the middle of the seat there is a bolt with a 12mm socket. You need extension as well. Okay, we're almost there, and it's pointing that way, up a little bit. Okay, so we need to get it loose. Okay, that's good. And now you can grab the extension in the socket. Okay, hold the bolt with your hand and you can pull it out. This is the bolt, guys. Okay, there is one more identical to this one on this side, right in the middle of the seat. Okay, and it will take you some time, but you'll be able to see it. Perfect. Okay, you can grab the bolt and later you can start them by hand and just get them tight when you install the seat. Don't forget these bolts. Now on the front right here, okay, there is two clips, one on this side, one on the other. So you need to grab the seat, push towards the back, okay, and pull up. Okay, and you need to get it with two hands. I cannot do it with one. Okay, like that. It's really, really strong. Now you need to get the seat belts out of the way. Okay, and you can pull the rear seat out of there now. It's loose. Alright, guys, so the fuel pump now is located right here under the seat. It's under this cover, okay, right here. And this cover, it's only glue right here, so you can just pry it up with a screwdriver. Careful not to break it. You need to install it the same way. We have a video how to replace the fuel pump, so make sure, guys, you stay with us. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.